We almost at the end of the year, guys, and Bitcoin have still do nothing. We still don't have the bounce everybody is waiting. And in this video, I want to tell and analyze something I have been seeing in the charts, because many people are not talking about it, and people are just hoping to have this bounce, which we may have sooner or later. But now everybody's talking about this. I'm gonna show you right now this chart, which putting a little bit of fear in something different that never happened before in the Bitcoin price, and is that we're gonna close exactly how the candle is like this. And to be honest, this don't really gonna mark a big difference. If you follow my strategy already, you know you can just, with the ballot, with the volume, with the Fortuna line, you can be assured of what the Bitcoin price is gonna do next. Either is the daily, the weekly, or the monthly. So if you still don't have my strategy and you want to follow me in order to have a better idea what the market do and take advantage of that, just go in the description below, and then you can watch the video when I show you how to do the fully setup. Okay, so I want to go first in the hourly, because here's more clearly to see how the market have been fully manipulated, with just going up and down, up and down, up and down, and everybody all the time is just thinking that we're gonna go all the way to the hundreds. People still hoping, and the only thing we have been having the whole time is just a normal consolidation. And if we go to the daily, we can see more clear. Let me show you here. There's something is happening right now in the Bitcoin price, because we should be already going up according to my strategy. This is something I say already many days to you before Christmas. By the way, Merry Christmas to everybody. But before Christmas, I was saying to everybody, we forming already this bullish pattern. But we have not pumped yet. We're still in this consolidation. We have been just going up and down, up and down, up and down, and we still don't have a clearly break up from this area, not either to the upside or to the downside. And you need to be aware of something. This is something I want to point out, which I'm expecting it will happen in the next days and weeks to come. You know already every pattern for the daily is around 8 to 10 days, so you need to trade it accordingly. And for now, guys, let me just show you, and I fix this here. Okay, so let me show you that here to have a little more idea. So what I'm expecting right now, and you should keep an eye on it. How you're gonna keep an eye? You go to the description below, you follow the video, and you're gonna have exactly the setup I have right now. What we want to do, because we should be already from here, a market right here is some vertical. From here we should be already start going up. But you can see we continue in the same consolidation in the daily. What I'm gonna be waiting right now is the red valleys to finish. The horizontal line is right here. Red valley finish and start to create a green valley. If the green valley is already developed like this, and we see the Fortuna line is still in a negative direction, and we already passed here like around 8 days, guys, that's gonna be the moment to get out immediately, because what it will come next is a breakdown. And since the time passed already and we don't see any strength in the Bitcoin price, nobody is buying right now. There is no new sellers, there is no new money, there is no liquidity coming to the market. So that we want to get out from there. That in the case that you are in the trade. But if you still have no sell, as I have been saying in this channel, because we did the risk in October the 6th. Otherwise, go and check my videos. I pointed out all the time there. We were at 125 when I was saying I was selling. And then also after the big liquidation day, October the 10th, I also was selling partly when we have this bounce to the area of the 115. in that case, I really don't know what to say to you, because you should. I expect that you knew, because if you have been following me, we have been de-risking already before. So pretty much at the top, like 120k. So for now, either you hold it, because it's a lot of risk just selling right here with the pattern we have right now, because remember that it's just probabilities. This is not something gonna have we're gonna have 100%, but it could exist as well. The situation when you sell right here, and then the price go up. So it's not a really good option to sell where we are. If you have not sell anything, if you have not de-risk anything, I will continue holding until I see the bounce. But I'm afraid to tell you as well that the bounce, potentially the bounce, it would be no more than here if we go and retest the 55 MI. Why I'm saying that? Let me show that. Because you see, all the time we try to reach it, we get immediately drained to the downside. So the best time right now is just to have patience. That's why you should also learn how to have a different setup in your portfolio in order to don't have this situation. If you are in a really critical situation, you have not sell anything, you don't have anything on cash, just let me know in the commentaries below, and I may potentially will do a video when I explain which kind of setup I have in my portfolio, how do I de-risk and take risk in order to don't affect the portfolio in a negative way, because all what we want to do is accumulate much money as possible as the market offer to you guys. And the market is open 24/7, which is always offering money to us, but we need to be disciplined, strict, and patient in order to take advantage of that. So pretty much this is what the Bitcoin price is doing in the daily. And as you can see as well, like a lot of people are still having a lot of hopium that the bull market has not over, because all the precious metal have been going up, but they have been going up already for months, for 6 months, 7 months, like what is gold, silver, even stocks like tech stocks like Nvidia, Google, they have been just exploding. So people are just hoping that all that liquidity at a certain time it will stop, and all that liquidity will come to Bitcoin in crypto. But you cannot be just waiting. That's why I'm saying to you, just stick around, have a strategy, and then play the market accordingly, the market that you have, and not the market that you want. As this guy Ben is saying as well, I mean, it make a lot of sense. You cannot just trade whatever you want. You can trade what the market gives you. If it come the time that we're gonna go around the 113 more or less, which is the area, this area, and we hold that, they're gonna be bullish again. But for now, I cannot be just having hopium. When I see a pattern, a confirmation of a pattern of bullish again, I will let you know. So we jump together into that ride, and we're gonna miss anything. But for now, even if the stocks and the precious metal are going up, I don't gonna be having the opinion that Bitcoin's gonna go up, and more when we have this weakness, as explained to you already. And in the weekly, let me give you. In the weekly, I already explained you before, because what we should be doing is pretty much what I just explained to you in the daily. We should be. The Fortuna line should start turning negative. The time should pass. I'll show you here. The time should pass. The value should be 4 like this. Let me bring this and make more sense. Let me show you now. And we put in the weekly, guys. I'm gonna bring this a little bit down. Let's show you. Just like that, for example. So the horizontal line is gonna be like this. We're gonna finish this, and we start forming. When we start seeing this pattern right here, we should in the Fortuna line down. We should start going up. if that's the case, that we start to go up and the time still is nice to form a green valley, small green valley like this, there's a potential that we're gonna continue going up. Even I might say that we're gonna be making new all-time highs, but for that we need to wait until March, because if by March we have no break the 110 and we still just from the 80s to 110, we really gonna go deeper down, guys. So I'm telling you right now, since the before happening, I say before Christmas that that analysis I have. So I'm not married with that analysis, but I just keeping an eye to that, because according to my strategy, by March, April, by March more or less, we should have already some result in the Bitcoin price. If we don't see anything, then I'm gonna be coming here and telling you what I'm seeing in the market, because believe me, it's not good. But for now, I just wanted to make you aware of that. And yeah, and the daily, you know already what I'm thinking. Keep an eye on the weekly as well, because it can turn really bad, but also it can turn really well. And I will be telling you. And if you have already my strategy, which I have it in the link below, for free, completely for free, you can just learn with the videos I'm doing. You can learn how my strategy work, and I teach you can do it by your own, and you don't need me to be telling you what the Bitcoin price is doing. So pretty much with that, I want to finish, guys. Just be careful, because the market right now is not having a new liquidity. It's just the same participants, the same people who are manipulating the market, and there is no new money coming. More now that we are super close to New Year's Eve, like people are not really taking care of the market. So I'm not expecting to have a breakup of 1094. It could happen, but I don't really expect it. The possibility is really low. So just go enjoy your life, enjoy New Year's Eve, and just don't think about the market, guys. And let me know in the commentaries below if you do risk or not. I will love to hear that. And have a happy New Year's to everybody. See you next year, guys. Ciao, ciao. Remember, just save in Bitcoin, save always in Bitcoin, and have a happy New Year's. Ciao, ciao, guys.